guys, today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite takoyaki toppings. I mean, there aren't really any rules here, so you can put on anything you like, from cheese, kimchi to sriracha sauce, it's all fair game. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to do today is the black pepper, lemon and mayo takoyaki. Pretty much as the name suggests, we're going to be putting on some Kewpie mayo, some freshly cracked black pepper, as well as some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Seriously, you need to give this one a go. You've got that creaminess from the Kewpie, that bitiness and smokiness from the black pepper, and just the perfect freshness from the lemon juice. Don't knock it till you try it. The second one I'm going to show you today is a super refreshing topping on your takoyakis. It's loaded with loads and loads of spring onion and then topped with a refreshing yuzu ponzu. Make sure you gobble this one up quickly whilst the takoyaki is still nice and crispy and hasn't soaked up too much of that ponzu. Last but certainly not the least is our OG toppings for our takoyaki bowls. These are the toppings that you'll find on every corner on the streets of Osaka. It starts with a base of takoyaki sauce, followed by a slathering of Kewpie mayonnaise, a handful of spring onion, and then topped with some dried bonito flakes. And there you guys have it. That's my 3 ways to enjoy takoyaki. If you're interested in learning how to make the takoyaki balls, I'll leave a link in the top right corner. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to leave a comment below, smash that like button, and remember to subscribe.